Welcome to Bitcoin Climate, where we observe the climatic pulse and forecast of Bitcoin's price during the past few days. Guys, this content is not official financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button right here. And also click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh, off the press content, guys. Thank you so much. Moving on to today's content for the day, we have the Fear and Greed Index here at around 48, which is neutral, guys. Yesterday we had greed at around 55 and last week 60 greed as well. So, sentiment is coming back down to neutral when fear was last month and a couple of months before that as well. So, the fear and greed index and the market sentiment, is making moves just like Bitcoin's price did. But we saw this impulse move towards, let's see, that's 61. Wow. Now we went back down to 48, which is right above this pivot high of 47, and then also above the pivot high of 40. So those are the next two levels that we're watching on this downturn here for the fear and greed index in the next couple of days, guys. Moving on to Bitcoin's price, we do see that we're currently at $21,736, guys, right at that key support line. Man, TA is just beautiful. Look at that. It seems like, we drew the line before it actually came down. And that's exactly what we did, because that's the whole point of support and resistance lines, guys. As we said, we were saying in our previous episodes, the more we touch this support level of $22,675, which now will be turned as resistance, then the more probable it was that, it would break down towards the next key support level at that $21,510. Guys. TA is a beauty. It's just a beauty. We didn't reach the $25,171 key resistance level that we had as that next resistance target, but Bitcoin sometimes decides to do that, and now it decided to correct, essentially. Right now this is the first line. We have a little bit of support here at around that $20,500-$600 area, but not too much. Before that, $18,500 $528 support level would be that big next one. And we can also see here on the weekly as well, we have the 20-week moving average here at 19,000 as well, and then the support at 18,500. So that range there, that's the next key support level that we have if Bitcoin decides to correct and retrace fully. We do see back-to-back weekly bearish negative red candles, but this candle hasn't closed yet. We have a couple of days before the week ends, but we'll see. We'll definitely see what Bitcoin decides to do on a weekly note in the next couple of days, in the next couple of weeks. We'll definitely keep you guys informed. And Bitcoin dominance, we do see currently at 43.28%. After reaching a pivot high of 44, almost 45%, we've retraced a little bit, cut and hold the support of 44%, and now 42.22 becomes that key support level once again if we completely retrace. And then here for the support, we have the trend line here, the uptrend, the green line. So we'll just keep an eye out. Altcoins are holding a little bit stronger, in this Bitcoin brief downturn, but we'll see in the next couple of days how it's going to continue to react. Guys, don't forget, link is in the description down below. We have free educational videos, cryptocurrency videos for you guys, man. Wow, look at that. You can take a pen or a pencil with just a piece of paper, take notes, because we have presentations, full educational presentation for you guys, just a click away, guys. Bitcoin, again, as we said, it's around 21.7, 21.8 with regards to price, down 7.29% in the last 7 days. And in the last 24 hours is essentially down 3.50%, man. So it's been, a little bit of volatility back into the markets, but we do see the volume has gone down. It's gone down 5.46% at around that $28 billion mark. And we do see the market cap currently at $420 billion, just down 0.84% in the last 24 hours. So not big moves with regards to that. But overall, Bitcoin still holding strong. Uptrend continues in a way. We've had a little bit of a retracement just in the last couple of days, but still above key support levels, and we'll definitely have to wait and see what it's going to decide to do in the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks. Guys, if you enjoy this type of informative content, remember we have our website, great investment tools and resources for you guys, link in the description down below. Thank you so much for your time, for your attention, and for your support, and I definitely hope you guys have a good one.